Good morning, grade 5 students, and welcome to our English video lesson. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to study Module 9, Project, Part 1. As you might know, the project lesson is always divided on 2 days. We will start with the first part today. To know what we are going to focus on, let's take a look at our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to Number 1. Read a poster and answer comprehension questions correctly. Number 2. Identify the features of a poster. For our lesson today, we will be looking at Student Book page 109 and Workbook page 95. Make sure you open the right pages. As you learned through the objectives we discussed, our lesson today is about posters. But what is a poster and what do we use it for? Well, the word poster is a noun, which means a large printed picture, sheet, notice, or advertisement displayed in a public place. Posters come in different forms, sizes, shapes, and colors. They can be digital, printed, or handmade. They are also used for many things, like films, festivals, awareness, and many other different events. Can you think of more events that you can use a poster for? Have you seen a poster in your school? Or have you made one? Well, if you have, then I'm sure you know that there are different types of posters. A poster can include a text only, or it can only include pictures. But the best type of posters are those that include both text and pictures. They are eye-catching and very informative. Today, we will focus on this type, the text and pictures poster. To see an example of a poster, I want you to open your student book, page 109. What can you see here? What is the poster about? That's right, the environment. It's clear from the title. Now let us take a look at the pictures. We have a laptop, a light switch, recycle bins, papers, and a bicycle. What do you think these things have in common with the environment? That's what we are going to find out by reading the poster together. So, get ready to shadow read the poster while listening to the audio. Then, we will discuss the most important information in it. Ready? Let's go!
How to be environmentally friendly at home. Turn off the tap when you are brushing your teeth to save water. Recycle old TVs, computers and mobile phones to stop pollution. Turn off the computer when you aren't using it. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. How to be environmentally friendly at school. Use both sides of every piece of paper. Put recycling bins in the school playground to collect glass, metal, plastic and paper. Go to school on foot, ride your bike or take the bus. Don't tell your parents to drive you to school.
Now that we finished reading, let's start discussing what we learned from the poster. Let's start with the first question. How to be environmentally friendly at home. Here we have many pictures. a water tap, a computer or a laptop, and light switch. What do these three things have in common? What should we do when we finish using all of them? Well, if you want to be environmentally friendly, then you should turn them off. Turn the lights off, turn the laptop off, and turn the water tap off when you are done using them. Okay, what about this picture? What did you learn from the poster? That's right, it's about recycling. Recycling old laptops, TVs, and computers to save the environment from pollution. What about schools? What can you do to be environmentally friendly at your school? From the poster, we learned three things. Number one, we should use less papers by writing on both sides of a paper. Number two, we should use recycle bins to collect glass, plastic, or other materials. Number three, we should use cars less. You can ride your bike, use the bus, or go to school on foot. This will help reduce the air pollution. Now that we finished reading and answering the questions, let's take a closer look at the poster. The poster included a title, or actually two titles. It also included many pictures and a list of different things that we can do at school or at home. The poster was very informative and very attractive. So, what are the main points or steps that we should follow when we want to make a poster? Are there any helping tips? Yes, there are. Let's take a look at these tips together. If you want to make a poster for a school competition, a birthday party, or any other event, you should follow these 6 steps. Number 1. Use a large piece of card. Make sure it's big enough for people to see it clearly. Number 2. Write in pencil so that you can correct any mistakes. Make sure your handwriting is clear. Number 3. Put a title at the top in large letters. You can use different fonts, of course. Number 4. Write neatly, so the poster will be clean and attractive. Number 5. Add photos or drawings. You can draw your own pictures or you can download them from the internet. Number 6. When you are ready, write over your letters using markers or colored pencils. Use suitable colors and make sure they are easy on the eyes. To practice making a poster, I want you to open your workbook to page number 95, exercise number 1. Here you can see another poster about the environment, but this time it's not about home or school. Can you see what the poster is about? That's right, it's about the office and the town. If you take a closer look, you will see that the sentences are missing some words. The words are here in the blue box. It's your job to complete the sentences with these words. So, start reading the sentences, underline the keywords if you like, then complete each sentence with the suitable word from the blue box. Got it? Okay, now pause the video until you're done and come back when you are ready to check your answers. Ready to check your answers? Let's go. Listen and check.
Recharge your laptop only when you aren't using it. Don't use paper or plastic cups. Bring a cup from home for coffee or tea. Don't print everything. Read it on your computer screen. Recycle paper and old computers. Don't throw rubbish on the ground. Use rubbish bins and recycling bins. Use public transport or ride your bike. Use cloth shopping bags. They're eco-friendly. Pick up rubbish from the streets, and tell others to take care of the environment.
Here are all the correct answers. Take a look to make sure you copied them correctly. Now that we finished completing our poster, let's take a final look at it. We have two titles because the poster is divided into two parts. We have list of things that we can do at the office and around town. And also we have many pictures. This is a well done poster, very attractive and very informative. Well done, my dear students. We have reached the end of our lesson for today. Let's sum up what we have done. Number 1, we read a poster and answered comprehension questions correctly. Number 2, we identified the features of a poster. Thank you, Grade 5, for joining us and for watching this video. Take care and see you soon. Goodbye.